Hi there, I'm Sean Arsenault, Director of Research and Development at LaserShot, and I just wanted to go through one of our special projects that we have, where we've outfitted a collection of new types of weapons that have a couple of different capabilities to work with our simulator. We've got our M76, M70, and M21. Each one of them have full recoil, and we also have the ones that have full auto functionality as well. Fully censored, so you can tell whether the magazine is in, bolt forward or back, that kind of sensory data, as well as aim trace data. So I'll pull it up here on the KD range, fire a couple shots. And on these ones it's nice as well that we have full auto capability if need be. To learn more, visit lasershot.com.